Hello, hello everybody, my name is Ide, and today I'm going to practice balancing these fidget spinners. Watch me. What do you think of this? What do you think of that? Pretty cool, huh? Look at this one. Wait. Watch. What? Ouch. What do you... I think it's... I can balance it on my nose. You know, the nose, you know this is lovely. You know, it's good. Look at this. I can balance it on my thumb, my finger. I can even balance it on my other finger. This is the best thing. Look at this, guys. I can balance it on this finger as well. I know how to balance fidget spinners. I can even balance it on. I can even balance it on my pinky finger. On my pinky finger as well. How beautiful is this? I can balance it on my ankles. Look. This is so cool. Wait. I can balance it on this lid. Oh yeah. I can balance it on this tube. Watch. How beautiful is this? Look at this little glitch. Like a nice mitt. A piece of mitt. I never swear. Look at this. I can even balance on this Tic Tac Happy Meal toy. Nice tic-tac-toe balancing. That's all I can balance on. That's everything I can balance on. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And please leave a comment about what do you think of this. What is your favorite balancing? Oh, and I have also one thing. Watch. I can balance it on my shoulder. Look. The fidget spinner is on me, his shoulder. How do you think of it? See, the spin is right there. It's spinning right there. That means the fidget spinner is right here. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a share and leave a comment about what do you think is your favorite balancing thing with my fidget spinner. Yeah. And if you to see more videos, go down to my channel to find any videos. Thank you and goodbye.